guys, this is just a podcast of me and my mates just chatting shit, rambling about everything, and doing a tier list today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
Right. Subway.
That's got to be S.
Subway.
Or A.
A.
Dude, Subway slap. Although
Yeah.
I'm a bit pissed because they got rid of the melt, the cheese melt, or whatever it was called.
I only had the nachos from there, and that was pretty cracked. But
I'm saying A or
Subway
S.
nachos.
I'm
That's
saying
gotta be
A,
A.
because
A.
let's be real, there's better things.
A,
than
it's a
Subway.
sandwich.
Subway's
Sandwich.
nachos are literally microwave Doritos with cheese.
yeah, that is very
I mean,
true.
every time I go in Subway, there's only one thing I like in there.
I'm
Like,
saying
everything
A.
else I just don't like.
but-
Where you
I
say
think
But
it's
it does.
I
it's
think
so-
B.
I put it like B.
Yeah, same.
B.
I put it
Yeah, I'll
B.
take a
we'll
B.
go B
Yeah,
then.
I'll put it in a B.
B, yeah. We do like mid to high B.
Sorry, what the
Spud
fuck
like-
is Spud like?
I,
Spud like
what's it? What is it? Like, is it like
It's probably like Jack of Potatoes or something.
I'll have a look. I'll have a look for you.
Actually, I think it is. It is.
Right.
Right.
So I just look. Spud Light is a baked potatoes thing. So
Yes,
I
Spud like is
remember
good.
that.
Well,
To be honest,
apparently.
I'm saying D because I don't really like baked potatoes or whatever. So
I mean, wait. Well, yeah, but like,
DRE.
I remember.
None of us
Yeah.
have had it.
I think E, as none of us have had
I
it.
tried it.
Yeah.
I tried it, and it was nice. But
You tried it?
Whack
yeah,
it.
'cause
Just still
my dad had it
keep
in Westfields, and he said it was nice. But
It's just a
I'm
potato,
saying-
isn't it? It's pretty basic.
yeah,
Yeah,
good D.
Right.
Burger King,
I
not
think
that.
if you want.
B.
B.
It's on par
B.
with
so
Subway.
good.
It's on
That's
par.
I
what
would have it.
I
It's
went
bog
there the other
standard.
day and it was so fucking
That's
good.
bog
Yeah, I would
standard.
have it if it was there, but I don't know. It's good. It's
I mean,
nice.
Burger King chips,
B.
Yeah, they're better than Mackey's chips.
Yeah, it's got to be a B. I think.
What?
Yeah, that's B.
just for
Yeah,
the chip.
Burger King is
just for
kind
the
of good.
chips.
I like it.
Pret.
It's actually so
Uh,
nice. It's like the
Pret
best
do
slap.
lunch.
banging deals in X.
I've never.
I've never been for it.
It's
Pret
like the
slaps.
best lunchtime fucking.
Yeah,
doing
I'm
like
saying-
£20 for like infinite drinks or some shit. It was
Yeah.
ridiculous.
I'm saying like
C?
B or A.
C. C. C.
See,
Yeah.
C.
Or B?
I'm saying B. Sorry.
I never had it.
Oh,
so
no,
I'm
we
not
don't have
gonna
any
name
The
in
thing
C
it.
is,
yet.
I had one
So-
dead sandwich there one
yeah,
time.
I reckon. What
I'll
do you
go
reckon?
C
High
then.
high C.
Yeah, put
Let's
it
say
like
high
just
C.
keep it C.
High C's
I see a lot
Yeah.
of people going in there and getting shit, so it must be good. So
Yeah,
Papa
Pret is really
John's,
nice.
Bro. Oh my god.
I'm back to C.
Papa John.
B.
It's
Has to be B.
different.
B.
No,
Yeah,
mate,
Papa John's is B.
honestly, I think Papa
Don't
never
really
John's
had
have
has
an
got to be an
opinion,
A.
but
Yeah, I
it's
never
a
had it.
controversy right now. But
can-
Papa John's is like
Racist.
Domino's times 100.
Big
It's
Papa
cheaper
being
and
racist,
better.
I think.
nah.
Yeah,
Yeah, it fucking
I
is.
would put it in A
Oh,
actually.
Yeah, I'm saying A or B.
I say B. Surely
I
not
mean,
A.
if you guys haven't had it, I reckon we put it in a B.
I've never
I've
had
had
it.
it. I've had it, but I just wasn't a big fan.
I think I might
I'm
have.
gonna
I don't
put-
remember.
What do you
it.
reckon? Papa John's above Subway?
Yes, 100%.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Burger King
Yeah.
above Subway probably.
Burger
right?
King above Subway as well.
B-
Yeah.
BK above Subway.
We can do this at the
Alright.
end.
Big John's.
What's that?
Whack it.
I
I'll
have
have a
never
look.
fucking
I'll have a
had
look.
Big
I'll have a look.
John's.
Hold on,
It's probably
I'll
like
have
a harvester kind of thing, where it's just like a roast dinner or something.
Yeah,
a look. I'll have a look for
probably.
you.
Yeah, probably.
Big John
Big
is
old John.
Big John.
Big John. No, it's Indian, Chinese kebabs,
Ooh.
pizza,
Oh,
fish and sushi,
oh,
burgers, and
good
Mexican.
bag.
Yeah, well, we haven't had it, so
Let's
just
just
like D.
put it on. Put it on.
Yeah,
B.
put it with
Put it
Spudley.
E for the sake
Oh,
of.
no.
Yeah,
It's
E.
burger.
Put it above
Burger.
Spud
Yeah.
because it sounds nicer.
Yeah,
Yeah,
put it
sounds
on.
better.
Put it on
Right.
E.
Mackey's.
McDonald's wrap of the day.
I
Oh,
think S.
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 I
Yeah.
think
Wow.
S.
Yeah.
If it
Yeah.
doesn't
When you're-
belong in
McDonald's
S,
is a
Wait,
fucking
wait,
S tier.
when
there's no
when you
question.
want a Mackey's, yeah, and it's like the best thing ever when you actually get a Mackey's and you want it.
yeah,
Yeah.
I agree.
Dragged.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree with S.
Having
Yeah.
a drink after the meal and Mackey's
Yeah.
Oh,
is
big,
different.
big
Nice
milkshake.
milkshake.
Oh, I love that.
Ooh.
Big up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
What a freak.
Dude, you can't go
Starbucks.
fucking wrong with
Starbucks
McDonald's.
is just overpriced. I would put it in C.
I've,
D.
I've,
I'd
actually-
say C.
I've never been Starbucks. So.
It's
Starbucks
nice,
is
Right.
nice.
but it's so
Neither.
expensive. Like,
Well, I've
Yeah.
been there, I haven't had
I've
anything.
never really heard anything special about
D
it.
and
It just
D.
sounds like overpriced cost.
Put it
I'm
in
saying
like,
C.
like
I'm saying
egos
C.
and stuff go there.
I say I've never had it, so C maybe.
Yeah,
C.
I mean,
I'm
Starbucks
saying
got to be
C.
worse than Pret, surely.
Yeah, it's like Instagram influencers always in there and shit.
Domino's,
Oh,
that's S.
S. It has to go
If
S.
you-
I
if you're not
say-
putting
I
S,
say-
you're-
Had
A.
it tonight, it's just cracked.
I say A just because of the price.
Beautiful.
It's too
It's just,
expensive.
it's just
I mean,
beautiful. It is
I
expensive, but
think-
it is beautiful.
I think
Best
Papa
pizza
John's is
in the
better than
world.
Domino's.
I don't know.
Yeah,
No,
it
I
has
had
to
it
be
I
tonight,
A,
but it's
bro.
cracked.
I say we put it in A just because it's
I
like
say
£20
A.
for a pizza.
I reckon,
Yeah.
yeah, A.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go with
yeah,
A.
that's fair enough, yeah.
With
It's gonna be a
Pep.
high A though. It'll be high A.
Yeah,
Pepe
for sure.
is
It's cracked.
Yeah,
It's
I
borderline
nice.
S.
Never had it.
Like I said,
Pepe is- no.
like I say it's D.
D?
No one's had it, but I think it's paying. Or,
Yeah.
or E, whatever. I
Whack
don't
it.
care.
It's chicken as well. It's chicken. We
Do you
we
reckon
might all
Pepe's
probably
better
like
than
it.
I'll say
Starbucks?
D then. I'll say D.
No.
Probably not.
Probably
I've
not,
never had
okay.
Starbucks, but apparently it's good. So.
Oh, yeah, fair
Oh,
enough.
mate.
Pizza
Pizza
Hut.
Hut. Right,
It's
and now Pizza
iconic.
Hut. Pizza Hut is iconic.
The
You grew
birthday
up
parties,
with Pizza
everything.
Hut.
I'd say
Yeah.
A.
If you
I'd
didn't
say it's
grow
on
up
par
with
with
Pizza Hut, you
Domino's.
missed out.
It's on par with Domino's.
Yeah. That
Yeah,
has got to
pizza
be.
places
I mean,
pretty
I
cracked.
wasn't a big fan of it, but sure A.
I mean, like
Yes.
the Pizza Hut all you can eats.
deals.
I mean,
you
it
get
was
better,
alright.
yeah.
It's alright, but Yeah.
Get your croutons.
I haven't had
you
it too many times to be honest.
Yeah.
So,
Get your
know,
bacon
pot of
bits,
croutons.
bacon
What's the
bits from the salad bar.
Bacon
And
Lovely.
you get your
Bitters.
infinite ice
Get
cream
on-
machine.
Yeah, you love it, mate.
Oh yeah,
what's
the
it?
ice cream machine.
What
That's
is this,
iconic.
Milk.
Aaron?
Millie's.
I have no
Millie's.
fucking idea what Millie's
Whack it,
cookies.
nah,
Oh,
get it in a
cookies.
bin.
Oh wait.
It's
Oh,
cookies.
hang on.
Oh.
I mean, we haven't
let's
had
just
it.
now.
put
so-
let's just say
Indeed.
something we
I mean,
don't have.
Cookie or spud? That's the question. Cookie or spud?
Cookie. What are you
Spud,
talking
spud,
about?
spud.
Nah, you have to put it in D, Aaron. Like,
Yeah, it's gotta be a D.
Spud,
surely.
spud,
spud,
Chicken,
spud.
chicken
It's gotta be
and
spud.
cookies.
Nah, that's on spud level.
Curry or cookie? No?
You can't
Cookie.
be
Curry?
John like that, man.
Not
Cookie,
curry.
right then.
Yeah, I love that.
Mate,
Meal
Fucking
deal.
Oh.
Tesco's
A,
meal deal.
S, yeah, S, S.
S tier.
Yeah.
Tesco.
£3.
Uh,
£3
I don't
for a
know.
Tesco meal deal.
I've
Right.
never had a meal
Yeah.
deal.
Have you
Yeah,
not?
get in the
I
bin.
walked up and down every aisle in the Tesco and Exeter, and I could not find the fucking crisps.
Yeah.
Oh.
I shit you
I-
not, they were not with
Tesco-
the
I only
sandwiches.
don't. I only don't like a meal deal just because I don't like the
Tesco
sandwiches.
meal deals.
What
are
is your
Like, I don't
go-to
like the
meal
pasta
deal?
or anything.
Go to
I love the
meal deal.
pasta. That's what I have.
I
Go-to
don't
meal
really have
deal.
it.
Dan, what's your go-to meal deal, mate?
Probably a little chicken and bacon sandwich,
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I would have if I had one. But
and then like probably like a pack of like paprika max or something,
Oh yeah, bangs.
and a nice little crunchy bar.
Woody, what's your favourite meal deal then?
Right. Go-to meal deal. Get a pasta pot. Probably the spicy chicken one.
Oh, the
Uh,
pasta pot's bang. To be fair,
nah, man, that sounds
Maybe
right.
a 7-Up lemonade. If I'm feeling fruity, maybe a Fanta.
Feeling
uh,
fruity.
Yeah.
Feeling fruity, Woody. Feeling fruity.
Yeah, all that, and then the crisp, probably like a barbecue hula hoops or something. I don't know.
Banging.
Paprika Walkers as well. They're pretty pang. I like them.
what the max?
Yeah, them ones. the big
Yeah,
Max
they-
ones.
they bang.
They do.
Drew,
That is
what is
right.
your go-to meal deal?
I mean, I've never had one, but if I did,
Oh,
if I were to have one, it'd be chicken and bacon sandwich
Yeah,
with probably Thai sweet chili.
oh
them
mate, that's
Sensations?
so nice.
Sensations. I don't know what. I think that's what it's called.
Ooh,
Yeah.
And
Sensations. Good
my
shout,
drink.
man.
yeah.
probably
that
a
is-
drink. Probably just a bottle of water.
Bottle of water.
Dead. Yeah,
Yeah.
dead.
Yeah, nah.
Fucking vanilla,
To be
bro.
You
fair,
ruined it. You ruined it.
Oh, I like
a bottle of water.
Bottle of water.
You ruined
Fuck
it.
off, man.
A bottle of water can be nice.
I
Why
like
don't you
water.
bring your own bottle and fill it up in Weatherspoon?
Shut up. I like water.
Right.
What else is
For
there?
me, it's going to be just about anything with mayonnaise in it, as long as it's not
Oh,
tuna,
you
'cause tuna's
dirty
fucking
dog.
Vile.
Dirty
Ah,
dog with
I
mayonnaise.
agree.
Probably
You
pick up a
are
Dr.
dirty.
Pepper, because you can't go
Yeah,
wrong.
yeah. Dr Pepper's the best drink.
It is
It's
nice.
so good.
You know what you said,
And
mayonnaise.
crisps, I'm not really too fast, but prawn cocktail,
Nah,
can't go wrong.
I agree.
Oh,
nah,
I
they
agree.
are stinky.
Top
Prawn
tier.
that-
cocktail
that-
is
that-
so
that is a
good.
It's a
stinky
top
meal
tier.
deal.
It's
Cocktail are the
top tier.
worst.
It is.
They
top
are the
tier.
worst.
If
That is
this
a
was crisp,
stinky-
Woody,
prawn
wait,
cocktail
are you
be S
joking
tier.
with me?
Prawn cocktail.
prawn cocktail is the worst
so
flavour.
fucking-
Are you? No. Surely you're
I
joking.
don't
No,
like
I'm not.
fish.
They're actually the
No,
best
they're
flavor.
Prawn
awful.
cocktail is
Stink.
nice.
They're literally my favorite flavor, but I would.
They
Nah,
are.
they're
Prawn
literally
cocktail
the
is so nice.
They're literally the worst.
Prawn cocktail discos.
Hmm.
Like-
No, they're
Yeah,
too.
maybe
no,
not
they're-
that, maybe not that.
no.
They stink.
They
Maybe
are
not
too.
that.
They're too
You're pushing
fishy.
it a bit.
Yeah, they're too fishy. Too fishy. You might like them.
Right,
Alex,
what's
what's
your
your?
favourite
What's
meal
yours?
Either like a pasta
Tuna
pot,
mayo, probably.
or yeah, tuna mayo
Right.
cucumber
Yeah,
sandwich
tuna.
with Thai sweet chili
Where you getting
McCoys.
that one from? Fucking
Oh,
boots.
McCoy's, yeah, they're paying as well.
Nah, Thai
Yeah,
sweet chili
McCoys.
McCoys with like a Coke or something like that, or Dr Pepper.
Where'd you go? Boots or Tesco's, mate? 'Cause you're
Yeah.
getting a cucumber sandwich, mate. Where you getting
Nah,
that one
that's
from?
what- Tesco's.
they're paying tuna cucumber.
Bro, I know
mayonnaise
somebody who goes
sandwich.
boots and gets sushi.
Oh, buddy, he's probably going
What?
Yeah, they go boots and get sushi.
Weight Watchers to get that.
Yeah, there's no way
Such
you're
a good
going
idea.
Tesco's and getting a cucumber sandwich, you big spoon.
Mate, they bang.
There's no
Nah.
way.
Alright.
I mean,
Right,
Tesco's
so
is
Greg's.
S tier, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can't go
Yeah.
wrong.
Yeah.
Greg's,
Greg's. I'd say B.
B.
I think it's-
It's
I
a
like-
bit. It's a
Uh,
bit
I'd
greasy.
say A. I'd put Greg's
Yeah,
in A.
it's
I
really
get Greg's
greasy,
just about
particularly.
every day.
I say
And
B
it's so good.
because it makes me feel a bit sick after.
I'm-
Is it
It's
better
a
than
bit-
Papa John's? That's the question.
And
No.
plus,
No.
if you've ever had the pizza there, you might actually want to throw up.
Yeah, Drew, I agree.
I mean, a
it's
great
so slimy.
Exactly.
chicken
The pizza-
baguette.
Headman.
Yeah,
the
the
nice, like
bacon
the sweet
baps
chili
as well.
chicken baguette.
Actually, they do yum yums and they're paying.
I
I'll say
would
that.
say
Yeah,
it's
I'd say
above
B.
Yum
Subway,
yums are so nice.
but
man.
it's
I'd
not
say
above
below
Yeah,
Burger
I'll
Burger
put it.
King.
Yeah, I'll put it in.
Below
Yeah,
Burger King.
yeah. I think that's a good shout.
Right, between Subway and Burger King.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, just for the money, Greg's is so good.
yeah,
yeah,
that's true.
It's a good. It's a good one.
Facts.
Yeah, it does taste good, but
Krispy Kremes.
They're just
Krispy
nice.
Kreme.
What I'll say is they don't really have them down here. Like, I've
There's
never-
one in
Yeah,
Exeter.
Service
Bristol.
stations.
I think everyone's had it though, right?
But
Everyone's
Everyone's had it.
In-
If you haven't
in
had
London-
Krispy Kremes, you're actually
Yeah,
pretty
in London, they have them like at Tesco's, and they're very nice. So
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'd say
yeah.
you guys have obviously had like a Krispy Kreme donut before. And you know
Yeah.
how-
Have I? Ooh, I don't know
Yeah.
about that
Have you
one.
not?
Come
Nope.
on, Aaron.
Bro.
Wait,
Surely you have.
Krispy Kremes, is that the one like in the shopping centre?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
a,
Yeah.
I have had it then. Yeah, I
Like
have
a
had
service station.
I've
They're
had one.
nice.
I've
Yeah,
had
they're
one.
very nice.
Yeah, like the
They're
And
quite
it was
expensive.
very good.
just the normal
Yeah.
glazed donuts. It's like
Do,
so nice.
do you know what
I-
bang?
right.
Do you
I
know
say
what
I
bang?
say B A or B.
I'm saying B or
I'd
A.
probably put it below Subway to be honest.
Oh, yeah, I put
Really?
it
That's
below
just
Subway.
mine.
Really?
Take, but I've only had one.
Ah,
I say
that's
above,
like top B.
I,
That's
I
like
say,
top B.
Yeah, I say
Top B.
above Papa John's. I'd say.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Burger
That's
I
like
say,
top
I say
B.
top of B.
Put
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I say.
There we
Everyone
go.
agree?
Do you know what bangs? The Westwood Ho Donuts. There's a place near us, and they do
Oh
the
my
nicest,
God.
hottest donut
Oh, that's
you
true.
can
That's
think
true.
of, and they
It's
are
The number of
slap.
times we've been there and it's been closed.
yeah,
I want to cry.
S tier.
Ah.
That would be S tier.
That would be S
That's
tier.
fact.
I've never had it. So.
It's like
Westwood
fair.
Ho.
Yeah.
All right,
So good.
Chop.
chop.
Yeah.
Have any of you had that?
No.
Fucking
no.
heard of it.
Friday night.
Well, I've
Noodles.
had it again, so E.
Now, how
It's-
noodles
I'm
stand? Do you have to put it in E?
Actually,
Yeah.
I put it in E because I didn't really like it. It's
I
just
didn't
a-
like
Don't put it in F then. No one's
Yeah.
said it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, put it in the bin.
Yeah, it's like a takeaway. I've had it.
Get in the bin, chop
Yeah, but
what
you
give
didn't
you.
like it.
Yeah, okay, fair enough. Then.
All right, can we just say KFC is B?
KFC.
Don't know.
I-
Okay,
Yeah, I don't know.
fuck
It's,
that.
it's,
I
like,
wouldn't- I
it's just
wouldn't-
a bit greasy, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I say A.
Wait,
A.
it tastes good.
You
Yeah.
You have to put
It tastes really good, but it's
imagine having
like,
wraps.
I'd say A.
I mean, like,
For the
would you
KFC
rather
gravy,
have
you put it
Burger King
A.
or KFC?
oh yeah, true.
KFC. I say KFC.
I'll take KFC to be honest.
KFC is iconic, so yeah, A.
KFC
100%.
gravy, you put it
Not
A.
just that, like
100%.
Yeah,
it
to be
depends
fair,
what
the
you get from
gravy,
KFC, 'cause you
the
can get
gravy
like a
does
fat
put in
bucket of
work on
chicken.
KFC.
Or
I
you get
mean,
like a
like
chicken
KFC hot
burger.
wings. Oh, so good.
Yeah.
No, KFC. The KFC hot wings make me sick.
Okay, actually,
The
Hey,
butters.
boys, I'm not gonna lie. I might agree by calling it a B. I think it's above Pizza Hut.
It's A. It's A.
No.
It's A.
It's A. It's A. It's A.
It's
be
A.
A,
It's
no.
above Pizza
Yeah,
Hut.
it's above pizza.
Yeah, yeah.
Above
Yeah.
Domino's.
Yeah.
To be
Above
fair.
Pizza Hut in the middle.
I
I'd
mean,
say.
for me, just for the fillets and hot wings, I'd definitely probably.
Yeah, the fillets are paying.
Yeah.
So
Right,
good.
boys, hear me out. Yeah?
Wagamama's
Wagamama is the
Wagamama's
nicest
so good.
thing.
Wagamama
It-
is
It's
so
S.
good.
It's S for me, but you
It has to
I've-
be S.
I've had it. I
If
don't
you
think I
give it an
liked
F,
it though.
maybe A.
chicken
It's gotta
katsu
be
curry
S.
there. Oh my god.
Yeah,
Oh,
I think I had that, Alex, and I don't think I liked it. So
Aaron,
If you think
if
yes,
you guys
and then
don't like
give
it, put it B. At
I've never
least
had it.
for
I've
us.
never had it.
B.
I say C. I don't like it.
Right,
Alright,
it has
yeah,
to be
no,
top
come on.
C then. You
Yeah,
have
but
to
if
put it
yeah,
top.
but if
What, you want
No,
to put it
I-
above Pret?
Yeah.
Easily.
Really?
Okay.
Maybe.
Easily.
I,
Wagamama's
thought-
so-
I-
doing S.
I was thinking maybe in the middle. Prep better.
Nah, you're fussy eater, Drew.
you only eat nuggets, mate.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah,
it's
we
ba-
use
it's
it, I guess.
basically just
Nugget.
like drinks.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Wa-
had Pret hot
Yeah.
chocolate,
Wagamama
and then
is
coffees
so
and
nice.
tea.
Alright. Five
Why am
Guys.
I so good?
Five,
Right.
right, I just want to say this about
Five Guys is stinks.
It's
That was the
expensive.
worst £30 I spent on my
Yeah,
fucking
that's-
life for a
Guys,
burger and
Wait,
chips.
can we
Sorry,
just
did you say £30?
Five
£30.
Guys?
Me and
Five
Amelia went
Guys-
there, 30
Wait.
quid. What joke?
Surely not £30 just for a burger and chips.
But burger, chips,
Hey,
and
it's so
drink.
expensive.
30
Aaron,
quid.
No way.
Just put it in F. Just
Put it in
in
F then.
No, no, no.
Well,
Surely
It
that's
was
there's no
nice, but-
way.
It's
If
awful,
I'm not joking.
30
I will
Yeah.
scroll down my bank
3
statement and
items.
find that receipt.
bro.
Yeah,
It's the
it's
worst thing.
Just leave
It's
it
the
in
worst.
D.
£10 bag of
It-
chips.
There was some shit like that. It was,
Yeah.
It's not
It was
terrible.
shit.
It's not
I'm
terrible.
telling you, I spent at least 30
It's,
quid.
it's
Fam,
wank.
put it in C. No, put it in C because I know it can be nice. It's just
It
expensive.
was
Nah,
nice.
D,
It was
D,
definitely nice,
D.
but
Yeah,
I'd
so
rather go to
mine,
McDonald's.
yeah.
Maybe
It's
end
so
of B.
bad.
End of B. End of B. End of B.
End of B.
Nah,
No,
that's
no,
a
no.
chip higher.
End of B or like start mid of C.
No,
Yeah.
Nah, that's got to be
Yeah.
D.
it's C.
Well,
It's
nah.
C. It's C.
No, because it is nice. It is nice.
It was
Nah,
yeah,
it's
like it was
expensive.
nice,
End of
but
C,
for the
end of
money,
C.
I mean,
It's like a worse version of Domino's in a way like it's expensive. It's nice.
well, considering how we're slagging off Starbucks for being expensive, I feel like Five Guys goes
Yeah,
either here or
yeah.
here. Probably
Yeah,
there.
There.
Yeah.
Above
The drink
Sounds
space
about
doesn't really
right.
count.
Handmade burger. Never had it.
I think I've had one time and it was good, but
There's one in on the Strand, isn't there?
No, that's
That's
Custom House.
yeah.
Oh,
custom.
right, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't.
I've had
never-
I've had
probably
this
nice.
one time. I've had
It's
it one
like-
time and it was
I don't
good.
know.
Just whack it in D because for
I'd
the
say
sake of
D.
us not
Well,
having
no,
it.
'cause we,
Put it
we
in a D. What?
oh, yeah,
I'd say
yeah,
C or
maybe.
D, but
Because we
Do
do
you
it
put
with
it above
Pepe's.
Pepe's?
yeah.
Or below
Yeah.
Pepe's?
No, I prefer
Um,
chicken. No, we prefer chicken.
Oh,
I mean,
I'd
Drew, if
say
you had to rate Pepe's out of 10, what would you give it?
like a 7.
Dan, what would you give Handmade Burger?
Probably like 7 or 8.
Yeah, you can put it above. I don't care.
Put it
I
above.
just put it there.
Dixie's.
Right, the
Yeah,
expert.
I've already said what I say about that. So
I think that means
we might. I say all collectively maybe C.
I'd say B.
I'd put it A S.
If Drew's raving about it like that and we all like chicken,
B,
then that's got
End
to
of
be A.
B.
It's basically
end
Yeah,
of
it's,
B.
I mean,
It's just a chicken shop. And
Is
it
it
ha- and it's
greasier
like-
than KFC? That's the question.
Basically, you can get like 5 wings and a whole big of chips for like £1.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah,
that's
that's
like-
S.
it's like
That's
the best
literally
thing you've
S.
seen.
That's bro.
It actually is
What?
S tier.
Jeez.
For
Just
a
off
pound.
prices.
It's literally like £1.50.
Okay,
£1.
my opinion was
sushi.
F.
I
F right
hate
now.
raw
Yeah,
fish.
I
Yeah,
hate
just
fish
Yeah,
and I hate
sushi
sushi.
stinks.
I tried it
in
once.
the bin.
I tried it
F.
once in Taunton. It was
F.
stinky.
Get in the F right
Yeah.
now.
Get the
Put it
fuck
in,
in
yeah.
the bin.
Get in the bin.
Nando's-
Go sushi.
S.
A,
I
A.
say S. S.
Yeah,
S.
okay, S. Yeah, I'll put S.
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 Yeah,
S.
same.
Nando's.
S.
Yeah, S.
Wait. What do you guys get from Nando's?
Like the
I mean, I've only been
chicken
there once.
wrap.
Chicken
They
wrap.
do
from
like
Nando's?
a chicken wrap thing.
So
With
when I
the
usually-
peri chips or whatever.
Wait, I'll
Oh,
tell you what I get. Yeah, I get peri peri chips. I get like
Yeah.
one of them chicken fillets. You get like 3 of them. You
yeah,
get hot and you get like chips and rice. It's peng. And
Yeah.
garlic bread. That's peng.
yeah. I usually
I'll
get
only
like
have it, bro.
when we usually go, like me and my family, we get like one of them shower chickens you put in the middle.
Oh yeah,
Big
I had that
chicken.
with my dad once.
Yeah, we usually get that with like the peri peri chips, and you get like mashed potatoes, coleslaw, like everything. So good.
Yeah, I've only been there
Peri
once.
peri chips are so nice.
bro,
I
I'm
swear.
getting hungry. I want a fucking
Yeah,
nice
bro.
meal.
Maybe order myself a McDonald's tomorrow.
Yeah.
Bro, where's Weatherspoons
Oh.
on there?
Yeah,
Yeah,
facts
right.
as well.
Pizza Express.
I don't
Okay,
know.
that's-
It's expensive, isn't
see.
it?
See,
It was very
It
expensive.
is,
But
it
oh,
is.
the doughballs made me.
The doughballs.
scream.
Oh my god.
Yeah, maybe-
them-
yeah, the
I'm
tables.
down to put it above Subway, you know?
yeah, same.
Yeah, above Subway, 100%. I'd put
Get in
this
the bin
probably
for it.
below Burger King
Yeah.
just because of the price.
Yeah.
That's an F tier, but okay.
You shout an F.
Yeah, man.
Nah, that's low.
Shout an F
That's
for.
not- That's not the
Shit.
doughballs.
Yeah,
Oh,
the
shit.
doughballs hit different.
Shit.
Just
Drew.
like solely for the doughballs.
Remember my
I'm-
doughballs in food tech?
I'm
They were
solely
Solely
really-
for the
right there.
doughballs.
and then
Yeah,
you
but-
had
for the
food tech.
doughballs.
Pizza Hut. No, Pizza Express.
Drew,
Drew
Drew
know
had
it.
like Drew had like the soapy doughballs.
Yeah, no, that was mine in a food tech. But then they bet as mine in food tech.
Soapy.
Yeah,
No.
we put the washing up liquid in it.
Yeah. And the gravy granules. Yeah.
Making
Yeah,
nice
and
pies.
gravy granules.
I
Oh,
missed
the
the darn.
shit you brought back on that bus.
But my
That's
stuff was
the
actually
food
good.
tech.
Me?
Mine,
Yeah,
mine
some
was
of the
actually good.
food you brought on
You're-
that bus.
It tasted good though. It just looked like shit.
Yeah.
Your cooking
Right,
skills
I'll put
are
that
top.
Yeah,
tier.
Dan
Nah,
was a
Costa-
semi-decent
Costa Coffee.
cook.
I'll be honest with Costa. Yeah. The only time I went Costa is to get a hot
Okay,
chocolate.
this is my
Okay,
opinion.
actually,
It goes
I mean,
above
I'm
Starbucks because one, it's cheaper, and two, it's nicer. That's
Okay.
my opinion.
it
But
depends.
I think
It depends when we're having Costa here. The
Yeah, I think it's
situation,
really convenient for like good in the mornings and stuff.
right?
Yeah.
If you ever go to Bristol Airport, right, and you come back from like a different country, there's like a Costa on the exit, and we
Yeah.
had like the breakfast sandwich from there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
it's
what I'm
the
saying.
best
It's always
breakfast
been
sandwich I think
good
I've ever
places.
That's
had.
Always
like
in, like-
emotional support.
It goes.
Yeah,
I
it's
don't
like
think
the
it
place.
touches.
I think it's
Subway
B. I think it's top B
level.
for
Really?
me. Top
I'd
B.
put
for
it-
me.
I'd put
Yeah,
top B.
it is. Yeah, it
It's-
is always
it's
where you
expe-
need
it's
it.
like just
It's
for
not
a
even that
drink, it's a
expensive.
lot, but
It's not really that
it's
expensive.
such
Good.
it's so
Oh,
nice.
I don't agree with top of B.
Wait,
I don't agree.
have
with
you
top.
ever had the frozen drinks? The frozen
Oh,
ones? They're so good.
Actually,
Well, like,
no,
iced
Very
I'd put,
coffee?
it, I'd put it below Papa John's.
Yeah, below Papa John's.
Like,
That's
the
one of me.
pink lemonade Costa is honestly the banging.
But let's be real. No one's really going to Costa Coffee to get a coffee here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
that's- but
You can get like
in
a
terms
pizza
of
from
food,
Papa John's. For the price
it's
of
not
two
B,
coffees.
is it? In terms of food, it's not B.
I'll be honest. Papa
Food,
John's
I'd say C, but drink it's B.
I'll
Okay,
just
if
put
it's
it
not
like
food,
C.
then it's
Yeah,
top
like
C.
it
I-
depends what you're ordering.
Top of C,
Yeah,
or
that's what I
in
mean.
between Burger King.
It's situational.
Middle.
I-
Yeah,
put it there.
Yeah,
Right
I
here?
did that. Yeah, I read that. I read
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Wait,
I think that's a good
are we
tip.
rejigging anything?
Let's have a little look. See. Right?
The only one that I would maybe rejiggle is, I mean, this is just me, but I don't think Wagamama's a C, but
I never had it, so I can't comment.
My
Yeah.
mama
I can't
has
say
to
much,
go
don't
higher,
remember it.
but like.
For
none-
me, I
Wagamama
think-
for me is like A or S. But
Yeah, I agree.
I think
You got-
I think Krispy Kremes is an A.
yeah, I say Krispy Kreme's
Put
in
it
there.
up to A, but it has to be bottom.
Right,
It's
yeah, we'll
not
put it up
just-
there.
Yeah, bottom of A.
We do have a
yeah.
lot in B right now.
And then Wagamama in between like Greg.
Ah,
Do you
it's
guys
pretty-
think
it's
this is
pretty
A or S?
I say B. I'd say put it in B. Can you
Yeah.
have
I didn't like it.
Put
But
it in
Where
front
do
of.
you
It's
want?
better than Papa John's. Like that's.
Wait,
Wait,
better
what is
than Papa
Wagamama?
John's.
What is it? What is it?
It's like Japanese. Is it
Oh,
Japanese
okay.
style?
It's
I don't,
so
really- I
good.
don't, I don't really
I
like
don't know,
it.
It's pain,
I mean,
I think Burger King is better. Like shortly.
Do you want to put it above
Maybe-
Greg's?
Better than
Yeah.
Costa. No, better than Costa. I'd say.
oh my god,
better
my
than
screen is
Costa.
so bright.
I say better than Costa. It's up to you guys.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think
well,
that's alright.
consensus.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah,
Right, put it there.
that's,
Cold, you know,
that's
fuck
good. You know.
Right.
What else is there?
So,
Correct. Five
Good.
guys. C's.
We've never really had anything else, so we can't really
Wait,
change
so
it.
so D and below barely anyone's had.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty much. Basically, these four.
I've had yo sushi, but it
Oh,
wasn't very
actually.
good.
Yeah,
I've had
this-
Chop Wok, but it was shit. So
Hammy burger, I don't think it's D, but
What do you
I
think?
mean,
it is?
you guys would probably.
Well,
like
I
it.
would-
It's just a
I think
Chinese
it's-
restaurant you can take
I think
away.
it's
like,
C
in a
or B,
park, you'd be
but-
like,
I mean, to be fair, just you make your own burger. How can that be bad? You know.
You make your own.
Is that the place we went in France?
No.
I mean, I feel like
Wait,
I'd rather make
I
my
remember
own
I made my
than have
burger in
coffee.
France. I
Yeah,
made my
mine-
burger in France.
What do you reckon
It
above
might be.
Starbucks, maybe?
Yeah, definitely above Starbucks. I put it above Five Guys because Five
Yeah,
Guys
you
is
can get your own
awful.
burger,
But
that's like
Just for
20
the actually,
I mean, to be honest, for me, Five Guys is like D or E,
like
but I don't like
£2,000
it.
burger or how
Fifth,
much is
like
it?
20 quid for your own. It's like
Make your own, I guess.
Like
To be
meal.
fair,
like
about
meal.
the same price, really.
No, yeah,
Oh,
but
meal.
but Five Guys is like 15 quid for the burger, 4 quid for the chips, and like 10 quid for the drink.
Yeah,
That is pretty ridiculous.
That
sounds
is
about
bad,
right.
That's a scam.
That's
It is.
Sort it out.
It is a fucking scam.
Sort it out, Five Guys.
Is this?
Yeah, you
our
know
fi-
what?
Is this our final vote?
Nah.
Yeah, that's the final.
No, I'll put it back.
Yeah, I think that's.
Is this our final one? Yeah.
Yeah.
I think
Right,